Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of pinning a post on your Facebook group. Pinning a post is a great way to ensure important information or announcements are prominently displayed at the top of your group page. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on Groups in the left pane on the home page. Step 3. Under the list of groups you manage, select the group where you want to pin a post. Step 4. Find the post you want to pin or create a new one yourself and publish it within the group. Step 5. Select the More menu, represented by the three-dot icon, located at the top right corner of the post. Step 6. Choose Mark as Announcement. The post will now appear at the top of the group page under the Announcement section. Step 7. To unpin the post from the Announcement section, simply tap the More menu again and select Remove Announcement. By pinning a post in your Facebook group, you ensure that important updates, announcements, or discussions receive maximum visibility within the group. This feature is particularly useful for sharing important information or highlighting ongoing conversations. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to pin a post on your Facebook group. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.